Who else?
Rabbi.
Yes.
So for Havdalah for Yom Tov, right after Shabbat, since this Yom Tov is landing on Shabbat, and then Havdalah is gonna happen. We're still on Yom Tov, so we shouldn't, because I don't want to use the regular Yom Tov candle that I have. Can I use another candle?
Okay.
So I can
Yes. First of all, yes, there are two. First of all, you have to finish Shabbos, and then you can light the candles. You understand? So until you do Havdalah, until you do separation on Shabbos, you're not allowed to light the candles. You have to finish Shabbos. You understand? And then I was asked this question a few weeks ago. So there is no limit on the number of the candles that you have. So there, of course, minimum amount is 1 candle on Shabbos. Properly to have 2 candles is Shomor v'Zachor, two mitzvahs. If people have family, couple have family, for each kids it's proper to have 1 more candle for each neshama. So, but if you want to lit 5 candles, you want to lit 7 candles, nobody should stop you. You understand? So it could be more than 2. So and then it's proper to have this Havdalah, as you said. It's actually a good point. It's proper to have Havdalah like separate candles, and then to make a blessing on the different candles. Yes.
And these Havdalah candles, it could be like because I have a Havdalah candle that it's lasted for a while.
No.
Just get another one that's short.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Whatever. The only problem that you're not allowed to extinguish. That's it. Any length, whatever you need. So just to say Havdalah, say the blessing on the fire, and that's it. So okay. Maybe on the tea lights. I'm not sure how is it comfortable to hold the tea lights. I'm not sure. We never tried that, but shorter candle. Just but you have to make sure you have a place to hold to put them right after that, because you're going to have hold 2 candles. So you cannot do preparations after. So you may make sure that you have a place to put them, and that's it. Start your Havdalah. That's you're welcome. That's only exception, but otherwise you do regular Havdalah. But since Shabbos goes to Yom Tov, so that's.